Traders, FS Collecting here. Today is Thursday, August 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as possibly continuing the uptrend for an expanding flat. If it is an expanding flat, then it would likely go all the way up to the 178, 161% Fibonacci extension, take out these two previous highs, which is definitely what I'm leaning towards. If it's a running flat, then it would most likely make a lower high, which would bring it down to like the 123, maybe the 138% Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of the wave 2. This is a wave 1, and that means that this is a wave 1 of wave 3. Most likely this is a WXY right here, wave 2 of wave 3. And very likely that we are already in a wave 3, which I think will continue to make higher highs, higher lows for this wave 3 of expanding or running flat. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we definitely got a little bit of consolidation going on right here. Possibly could be the area where we start a more significant pullback. We are at a Fibonacci level, but we don't have a breaker structure yet, and we do not have a lower high or anything like that yet. So the daily time frame trend is definitely still up. And looking at the higher time frames, there's always a possibility that it just keeps on drifting up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me, it looks like it ended another ABC correction like I was talking about in my PM videos last night. One, two, three ways down and positive up. I mean, I always lean towards the trend too, so I'm definitely still very bullish. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So last night I was talking about if it does bounce at this area right here, which I had my Fibonacci extension on there, then I would have definitely taken that as a long because I mean we do see these expanding or irregular ABC corrections a lot, especially on some of these pound pairs and stuff. To me, it looks like another ABC crescent, just like an irregular, like an expanding flat or something. It looks to me like the trend is up and that it's probably just going to keep on trending up. So definitely still leaning towards longs. I mean, if it does go down and break this structure, like I've been saying, I definitely will start looking for shorts. But until that happens, I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.